First, I will start with this repo, which is the agency agents. This is an open source collection of specialized AI agent personas designed to enhance the capabilities of modern AI coding assistants like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex. And rather than providing an autonomous multi-agent framework, it offers a comprehensive library of expertly crafted agent definitions, which covers the software engineering, product management, design, marketing, quality assurance, game development, healthcare, and more. And each agent includes a detailed instruction define its role. So here you see, if I go inside this engineering, and inside that there are lots of MD files they have included. One is this for AI engineer, this one is for backend architect, this one is for code reviewer, this is for data engineer. Now if I go inside this code reviewer, here you see this kind of structure you will find. And this is a detailed description that they have given, that what this agent will do, means its role, its objective, its communication style, its workflows, its constraint, and expected deliverables. Here you see, in case of code reviewer, the critical rules they have defined, that be specific, explain why it is critical, and suggest, don't, demand, and also prioritize the risk, means if there is any blocker, then use this red symbol. If there is any suggestion required, then use this kind of YOLO symbol, and this precise good code, and also one review complete the feedback. So this kind of checklist that they have included. Okay, and this is a proper kind of rules they have set up for all of these MD files. Not only this engineering, here you see for finance, game development, healthcare, project management, and also this strategy, support, testing, all of this they have included. And also this repository is compatible with popular AI development tools like Claude Code, GitHub, Copilot, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI, Windsurf, so that it is easy to integrate with the specialized expertise into existing development workflows. Now they have their own agency agents desktop app. So inside that you will find all of this MD file also. And if you click on this, here you see the same MD files you will find here. Let's say this code reviewer. Now if I click on this, on the right hand side you will find this install. If I click on this install, you will find this Claude-Code, Codex, GitHub Copilot, Code, Cursor, OpenCode. Now if I select this Codex, here you see that on the right hand side I got this notification. It got installed inside Codex. Now I have also included this Claude-Code. You can also unselect this, okay, and you can add this. Click on this done, and here you will find Claude-Code and Codex got this code reviewer agent. Okay, now in this way you can simply add this kind of any of the agent inside your existing AI code editor that you uses. Okay, now if you want a detailed video on this, please comment below in the comment section. I will make a separate detailed video with explanation and step-by-step process that how to do the setup, how to use it. And this is also free and open source under MIT license. So it helps developers and teams accelerate the AI assistant software development while maintaining the consistency and best practices across the project. I have given the link in description, so please check there. And also you see the number of star count, it is around 1,28,000. Next, I will discuss about another open source project, which is the Strix. Here you see the number of star count is currently 38K. Strix is an open source AI powered application security testing platform. It is designed to automate the process of discovering, validating, and helping to fix the security vulnerabilities in software. It leverages the autonomous AI agents to perform dynamic security assessment, analyze the source code, and running the applications and generate the proof of concept that exploits to confirm the vulnerabilities while minimizing the false positives. Here you see that it got this number one repository of the day and also number one repository of the week. So this repository is currently in trending, and here you see this is the short description. The open source AI pen testing tool, autonomous AI that cuts, find and fix your app's vulnerabilities. Okay. And one thing is that this trick supports scanning local projects. also the GitHub repositories and live web applications, and integrate seamlessly into the CI/CD pipelines for continuous security testing with support for multiple large language model providers and also a modular and extensible architecture. Here you see these are the key capabilities like full pen testing toolkit you will get. Also the multi-agent orchestration means team of AI pen tester that collaborate and scale, and also developer first CLI, and also autofix and reporting means if there is any issue then it can easily generate the patches and it can report to you. So that means Strix enables developers and security teams to identify and address security issues more efficiently throughout the software development lifecycle. And here you see that this is a kind of CLI that you can use. And these are the use cases like application security testing, rapid penetration testing, and bug bounty and automation, CI/CD integration that I have already told you. And this is the quick start, and this is the installation and fast scans process. This 3 to 4 steps that you have to perform, and you are good to go to use this model. They have their own website also, strix.ai. You can visit this. Otherwise I will recommend you to use it inside your local machine, and please let me know your feedback, your experience with this Strix platform. This is a open source great repository. Next I will discuss on another open source project, which is the Meetily. Meetily is an open source privacy first AI meeting assistant. It is designed to help users record, transcribe, and summarize the meetings while keeping their data under their control. And they have built this whole project using the modern technology stack like Rust Next.js. Meetily performs the transcription and also AI powered summarization locally, and you don't need to upload the sensitive meeting content to the external cloud services. If you scroll down below, there you will find that it is the #1 repository of the day, means it got this GitHub trending tag. So that means it is a very popular and very great open source project. Open source, privacy first, and also enterprise ready. If you scroll down below, you will find that why Meetily section they have included all of these points. First is the privacy first, second one is this cost effective and also flexible and also customizable. Means as it is a self-hosted, and also you have the capability to include any of the open source AI model instead of expensive APIs. So that's why you can modify this Meetily according to your specific needs, and with features such as real-time transcription, speaker identification, cross-platform capability, and GPU acceleration, Meetily provides a fast, secure, and efficient solution for the professionals, teams, individuals who want accurate meeting notes without compromising the privacy. Here you see that you can import and enhance the audio files. Okay, it is so easy. And also AI powered summary, so if you upload this documentation or this audio, and from that audio you can generate this transcription, and also you can generate the summary of this transcription. And also here you see that you can modify that this heading, quote, number list, bullet list, these are available. And obviously these are privacy first design. Your documentation you don't have to upload on the cloud, so please use it. And the installation process they have also explained in detailed way. Please use it and let me know your experience with this Meetily in comment section. All of this link in given description, so please check there. Next, I will discuss about another great open source repository, which is the Superpowers. And this repository is created by this person. Here you see the name is Obra. Okay, so Superpower is an open source framework that is developed by Obra, and it enhances the AI coding assistants by providing them with a structured software engineering workflow instead of relying on simple prompts. So normally when we use the Claude Code, Open Code, Codex, then we give the simple prompt that these are the prompt and do this and build this. Okay. But if we use this Superpower plugin, then it will be a structured workflow. So while these AI coding tools like Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, CLI, it can generate the code quickly, but they often struggle with a large and complex projects due to lack of planning and inconsistent implementations, missed edge cases, and also insufficient testing. And these challenges can lead to unreliable and difficult to maintain codes. That's why we need this superpower. And this is the simple installation process. Here you see, in case of Claude-Code, you need to just add this superpower skill as a plugin. This is the command that you need to use. And in case of Codex, the simple process. In case of anti-gravity, simple process. So you have to add this superpower skill as a plugin inside this all of the code editors. Now, Superpower equips AI coding agents with reusable skills that guide them through best software engineering practices. It encourages the AI to clarify the requirements, create implementation plans, follow the test-driven development, perform systematic debugging, conduct code reviews, and verify solutions before completing a task. And here is the basic workflow they have written, like this: brainstorming using Git workspace, writing plan, and if sub-agent required, then sub-agent driven development, trace driven development, code review, and finishing a development branch. So this is the whole process that is included inside Superpowers. So that means Superpowers helps improve the code quality, consistency, maintainability, and overall reliability, and that makes the AI assisted software development more effective for medium to large scale projects. All of these links are given in description. You can check there, use it, and let me know if you need a detailed video on it. Next, I will discuss about another great open source project, which is the Claude plugin CC. OpenAI Codex plugin for Claude Code. This is the full form. So it is an integration that brings the power of OpenAI's Codex directly into the Claude Code development environment, and it allows developer to use both AI coding assistant within a single workflow. So instead of switching between different tools, developers can ask Codex to perform in-depth code reviews, generate or debug the code, investigate the failing tests, or provide an adversarial review that challenges the design decisions and uncovers the potential security, reliability, and performance issues. And the plugin also supports the background executions, enabling the long-running coding task to continue while developers keep working. By combining Claude's collaborative coding experience with Codex's specialized code reasoning capabilities, the plugin solves the common problem of fragmented AI assistant development. It eliminates the need to constantly switch between applications, reduces the context loss, provides a valuable second opinion on complex code changes, and streamlines the debugging and code review workflows, ultimately improving the developer productivity and also the code quality. And here you see that this kind of command that you can run inside Claude Code, and this is the Codex rescue feature. And also here you see this is the Codex adversarial review, and a lot of things like transfer and this status, a lot of things you can run all of these Codex commands inside the Claude Code. So please use it, and if you want a detailed video on this, please let me know in the comment section. All of these links are given in description. Please check there. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also to get this kind of videos daily more. And also from this channel, you will get latest AI related news and the concepts. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.